guys, what is up? It's me, Rory, and in this video I'm gonna be getting ready for the Tate McRae concert with my grandma. Here is the outfit I'm wearing, this jersey and then this little white skirt. Here's my hair. It literally has so much product on it. It's like the Gorilla Glue Girl, it don't move. Anyway, I'm so excited for the concert. I should have a vlog up by the end of this week, hopefully, so make sure to subscribe so that you can see that when I post it. Okay, now let's get into the video. Okay, here's my grandma. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi.
I am so excited for this concert. We got like a suite, so like we don't have to enter with everyone else, and also there's like food, right?
Yes.
In it, there's food. The part I'm most excited for is just to see Tate dance. This Benefit primer is literally so good. Okay, and we're using my Hourglass concealer. This concealer is really so good. I use it all the time now. Yeah, I love it. Also, in October, I'm going to a Renee Rapp concert, so I'll probably do a vlog of that too.
Hey Rory's fans, we're so excited. We're getting ready. Yay.
Yay! Okay, you probably can't tell on a camera, but the concealer is actually so good. Grandma, are seats like close to the stage? Or like how far are they from the stage?
We're in what you call the Legend Suite, and there is going to be TVs, but it's like maybe it's not that close, but you can see everything from there.
Okay, because it's not like the nosebleeds like our Sabrina
No,
one,
it's not.
right? For the Sabrina Carpenter concert, we were literally in the second to top row.
No, it's not that.
Good. Like the concert was still so fun, but
Yeah, but
just,
the
like,
theater was small, so it didn't matter. That
yeah, I mean I could still like see her and stuff.
already on the contouring step. I haven't done my eyebrows yet, but I did the foundation and the Mario contour.
It looks good.
Now I'm just blending it out. Blend, blend, blend. That's the important thing. And then I'm going to do my eyebrows. And then powder so my face is not so shiny. And then spray.
Okay, then for blush, we're using the Glow Recipe Niacinamide Drops thing. I love these. And you always wet your beauty blenders before you use them to blend, because it makes them blend easier and better and like less patchy.
So I think I'm going to do a lighter blush like this Patrick Ta instead of the really pink
Ooh.
one. This one instead of this.
This is the eyeshadow palette she's using from
Beautiful.
Patrick Ta.
So I already primed my eyelids. Now I'm just going to make it look natural, but you know, with some color.
Okay, then for highlighter, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. My grandma actually gave this one to me, and I love it. It's so good. To put it on my cheeks, I just put it on like this finger, and then I like tap it onto my cheeks like this. And then on my nose, on my inner corners. Okay, now we're gonna set with this One Size setting spray. This is literally the best setting spray in the entire world. My grandma has this one too. I hooked her on it and it's so good. Okay, have to put on a ton of setting spray because I do not want this to come off. I know I'm gonna be sweating so much and like moving around so much.
I also have the L'Oreal that works really well. A little too much.
But that's what you have to do. And now my grandma's putting hers on right now too. Okay, the like base is done. I promise that looks so much better in real life than it does on the camera. Okay, we're gonna do my lips. This is the Huda Beauty lip stain. I love this stuff. Okay, then we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara. Literally the best mascara in the whole world. Okay, lashes are done, and see what I told you about how good this mascara is? You can see how good it looks on camera, and it looks even better than that in real life. Okay, now the last step is I use the Glossier Lash Slick on my bottom lashes. Here's my makeup look done. So then we'll look at my grandma's when she's done. Here's my grandma's finished look. So it's serving. Okay guys, that is the video, and remember, I'll see you in the next one.